So you've got a business idea and you're ready to make it official here in South Carolina. Very exciting stuff. But if you're wondering, where do I even start, then you're not alone. Forming an LLC is one of the best moves that you can make to protect yourself legally while keeping things simple tax-wise. But let's be real, the paperwork, the rules, and the fees can feel overwhelming. And that's where this video comes in. In this video, I will break it all down into clear, easy to follow steps so that you can get your South Carolina LLC up and running without the headache. Sound good? Let's jump in. And choosing a name for your LLC is more than just branding, it's about compliance too. And South Carolina requires your business name to include limited liability company or abbreviations like LLC or L.L.C. Plus, you'll want to ensure that your chosen name isn't already in use. To check availability, head over to the South Carolina Secretary of State's business name search tool. If your desired name is up for grabs, but you're not quite ready to file, then you can reserve it for 120 days by submitting a reservation application and a $25 fee. Choosing your registered agent. Now, every LLC in South Carolina needs a registered agent. This is a person or entity designated to receive legal documents on behalf of your business. This agent must have a physical address in the state, no PO boxes, and it must be available during regular business hours. Now, you can take on this role yourself or appoint a trusted individual or hire a professional registered agent service. Now, opting for a professional can offer privacy and ensure that you never miss important notices. Now, let's make your LLC official. You'll need to file the Articles of Organization with the South Carolina Secretary of State. This document outlines essential details about your LLC, such as its name, address, and registered agent information. You can file online or by mail with a filing fee of $110. Online submissions are processed faster, typically within 1 to 2 business days, while mail filings may take a bit longer. While South Carolina doesn't legally require an operating agreement, having one is highly recommended. This internal document sets out the ownership structure, member roles, and operating procedures of your LLC. It helps prevent misunderstandings among members and adds credibility to your business, especially when dealing with banks or potential investors. An employer identification number, or EIN, is essential for your LLC. It's required for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and even hiring employees. Now, the good news, obtaining an EIN is free and straightforward. Simply apply online through the IRS website and you'll receive your EIN immediately. And congratulations, you've navigated the steps to establish your LLC in South Carolina. From selecting a unique name to securing your EIN, each move brings you closer to launching your dream business. Remember, while the journey of entrepreneurship is very exciting, it's essential to stay informed and compliant with state regulations. Now, if you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks very much, and here's to your business success in South Carolina.